The local government of Bulacan has suspended quarrying and mining operations in the province. This is to avoid incidents of extreme flash floods and landslides that are becoming common during typhoons. But authorities have discovered an illegal quarrying operation supposedly running for almost 3 decades now. Our correspondent Stanley Gahete has the story.
This area in Barangay Camangyanan, Santa Maria, Bulacan looks like another typical rice field. But in the middle of it, you'll find these huge diggings allegedly done by the landowner.
Dati po, tinataniman nila ng palay, ganun. Tapos yung tinitibag na nila. Dito bagsak po ang tubig.
Authorities discovered an illegal quarrying operation right here in the middle of rice field in Sitio Alimasag. This place is reportedly rich in volcanic rocks known as escombro or bulik, a high-grade kind of mineral used for landscape gardening.
On September 2, the provincial government of Bulacan, headed by Governor Daniel Fernando, the PNP CIDG, and the Bulacan Environment Office made a surprise site inspection in the area. 5 individuals were arrested. Google Earth shows the field not only has one quarrying site, but 5 huge holes. One block of the mineral allegedly cost from 150 to 600 pesos. Authorities say the government loses millions of pesos from this secret and illegal operation. Through Executive Order number 21 signed last August 16, the LGU suspended all mining and quarrying activities in the province.
Sa mga illegal na aktibidades sa ating lalawigan, hindi ko po papayagan. Subalit may mga matitigas pa rin ang ulo. Kumita lang ng pera. Hindi baling masakin ang inang kalikasan.
In a text message from Bulacan Environment Department, the 5 suspects, Hernani Lopez, Francisco Vargas, Jun Lozano, Tony Nidroda, and Serapio Porciuncula Villanueva are currently facing charges including mineral theft, operating without a permit, and violation of the current suspension on quarrying activities.
Delikado talaga. Kaya nga yan nire-regulate kasi para yung mga precautionary measure, dapat doon, bantayan din lang. Katulad yan, malalim na doon. Hindi wala man ng ka-immediates na bawal doon, baka mahulog yung bata. Ito po yung pinakamalaking quarrying operation at illegal mine na nag-discover ngayong taon na to. Itong taon na to.
The 5 are out on bail, but the illegal quarrying operation has stopped. Authorities say no similar activity can be undertaken without an appropriate permit. The landowner was not in the area when the CNN News crew dropped by. Nearby residents were tight-lipped about the whereabouts or about any information of the owner. Authorities meanwhile did not share additional details about the 5 arrested as the cases against them are now in court. Stanley Gahete, CNN Philippines.